Fundamentals of Chinese 2, Unit 4, Studying Chinese. How did you do on the exam? Pronounce it. Turn to pages 178 and 179 in your textbook and have a pen or pencil handy to take notes. Okay, the first new pronunciation we have here is fu. In fu, you have a U following an F, and in pinyin, this U sounds just like the U that you're familiar with after bu. So, just like bu, but we have an F before it, so it sounds like fu. Fu. And this is fourth tone, fu. So we have the word here for review, fu xi. Let's try that a couple times. Fu xi. Fu xi. Fu xi. Great. Alright, next we have man. Now, you know this an because you've seen it with ban and fan. This is ban like in 4点半, 4:30, or fan as in 吃饭, to eat. So it sounds, the ending, the an final, sounds just like it does here and here, except we have an n before it, so we have man. And this means slow. Man. Man. Alright, next we have B. And this I, when it comes after a B, sounds just like it does when it comes after an X or a Y, which is E. So like xi for fu xi, or E, the Y-I-E for the number 1, so we just put a B before it and we come up with B. But this is a third tone, so we have B, 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 and this means pen, as you'll remember. Alright, next we have zhang. In zhang, you have the final here, ang, which is the same as in sheng, as in 上个星期 last week, or cheng, as in 唱歌, right? Sing a song. So it's the same final, ang, but with the zh. So your tongue is curled when for this zh pronunciation, your tongue is curled and you're saying like a j sound, zhang. And this is first tone, so it sounds like zhang. Zhang. Next one is dong. And dong, you have this final ong, and you've seen this before, for example, in the word gong for 工作, 工作, which means to work. So it sounds just the same, except we have a D before it, so it comes out dong. And this is a third tone, so it comes out dong, and this means to understand. Dong. Dong. Alright, next we have Jen, and so you know how this en sounds. It sounds like N, like the N in taken. And for example, 什么, shen, 什么, for what. So in this case we have the ZH before it, which means your tongue is curled and you're saying the J sound. So it sounds like Jen, and this is first tone. Jen, Jen. Very good. Alright, this U, when it comes after a Y, does not sound like the U after an F or a B. Okay, the U after an S sounds like fu, and the U after a B sounds like bu. They have the same pronunciation. However, when this U follows a Y, it sounds like the French U. So your lips are pursed, and you're making your lips vibrate slightly. Well, your lips aren't really vibrating, but you're pushing the sound up from the throat and into where the lips are. And in this case, it's fourth tone, so it sounds like yu. So this word here, yu xi, means the preview. So let's try this a couple times. Yu xi, yu xi. Yu xi. Good. Alright, again, here's the yu again, except it's not yu. It's not fourth tone, it's yu. It's the third tone. Your lips are pursed, but what we're focusing on here is the fa. In the fa, this F before an A sounds, the A sounds just like it does before with M for ma, and with T for ta. We just have an F before it, so it sounds like fa. And it's a third tone, fa. So let's try this word, which means grammar, 语法. And remember, 2/3 tones together, so the first one becomes a second tone. 语法. Let's try that. 语法. 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 Good. Alright, here we have the ONG again, just like in 工作, just like in 工, ong, just like in 懂 for understand, 懂, ong, except we have an R before it. And remember, in pinyin, the R, your tongue is curled, just like it is in ZH, in CH, in SH. Your tongue is curled, and it sounds like this. Rong, 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 rong. And this is second tone, so it sounds like rong, rong, rong. And this means easy, so let's try this together. 容易, 容易, 容易. Alright, next we have the word which means new vocabulary, 生词. So you're familiar with 生? This is actually the same character for Mr. 生, 先生. 生. And so we have the 词. Now the I here does not sound like E, like it does after a Y, or a T, or a B. Alright, here this I after a C sounds like the I when it comes after an S, as in 四, 一二三四. 四 is the number 4, remember? 四. So in the same way, 四, except we have the cat side, that ts sound, we have 次, 四, 次, 四. These are different. One is like an S, 四, the other is like the cat's eye, cat's eye, 菜, 词, 词, and this is second tone, so it sounds like 词, 词. So let's put it together. 生词, 生词, 生词. Alright, and finally, we have Han. And Han, this is actually the symbol for the Han. Han is like a race of people. Han, the Han people are the Chinese people. They're the race that make up the vast majority of people in China. They're the Han people, and this is the character for that race of people. You know, there are several ethnic minorities in China. There are 56 ethnic minorities in China, and the most populous one is the Han people, the Han, and this is that character, Han, and it's used to also mean Chinese, as in the Chinese language. So here we have Han, and it's together with the word for character or word, which is 字. So 汉字 means Chinese character, 汉字. So this Han, this AN, you know how it sounds because you've seen it with like 半 for 4点半, 4:30, or 吃饭 to eat, 吃饭, 饭, 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 except now we have an H before it, so it sounds like Han. So let's try this together. 2 fourth tones. 汉字, 汉字, 汉字. And that's it. Those are all the new pronunciations that you saw in this unit.